Inside this vehicle is a sample of outstandingly engineered and constructed enclosures by Rittal. All ideal for a wide range of applications, and all with a single standard of quality. Let's take a tour. This first enclosure we see provides a safe, controlled environment with a workspace on top. Doors open with classic Rittal precision, revealing a flexible interior for fixed shelves to hold various equipment with a variety of options, including telescopic drawers. The popular TS8 enclosure system remains unexcelled for flexibility and ruggedness, while delivering a clean, consistent environment under the most demanding conditions. This cabinet can be configured as a power distribution enclosure, providing isolation and compartmentalization for distribution equipment. Within this compartment, a PLS busbar system has been installed to distribute power to various components inside the enclosure. Among them are circuit breakers, which have capacities ranging from 100 to 630 amps. The adjacent enclosure includes the main power distribution installation with Rittal-shaped profile Maxi PLS busbars at both the top and the lower part of the rack, permitting the main feed at the top going first to the breakers and from there to the components. This can be configured to handle up to 3,200 amps while meeting CSA and UL certifications. Another notable feature here is the use of laminated flexible bus bars. Sold in 2-meter lengths with up to 1,200 amp capacity, they save substantial interior space by permitting 90-degree bends to maintain a grid pattern within the enclosure. This extruded aluminum arm is a key component of the Rittal CP60 arm system using cast aluminum couplings. Power and communications cables fit safely within the arms. The couplings permit easy adjustment of the arm and operator device to the optimum position. The enclosure itself is of extruded aluminum, available in standard and custom sizes. These examples of IT enclosures feature front rack mounts and rear cable entry access. Both are suitable for clean room environments. The lower unit offers NEMA 12 protection for plant floor applications. Based on the proven TS8 concept, the TSFM model is a standalone unit with legs and sidewalls installed and flange mount disconnect option. This unit also includes a window kit and standard connection ports above a work shelf and document storage compartment. Operators can safely connect their laptop or other device from outside the enclosure, perform their operation, and store data or refer to documents in the storage rack. Inside are samples of both our PLS and flat bar busbar systems, along with connection and component adapters. The system can be built for applications requiring up to 1,600 amps. All can be made touch-safe, so that with the enclosure open, operations or maintenance people are completely protected from inadvertent exposure to live components. Mounted on the door is a top-therm air conditioning unit, designed to maintain the interior at optimum operating temperature. This display panel features several climate control components, beginning with filter fans engineered for easy installation and service, while meeting NEMA performance standards. Tabs permit fans to snap easily into place, and the fixed foam gasket tightly seals the unit. Other optional filter and climate control components shown here include rotatable fans to direct airflow where needed, easy-to-change filters, hydrostat and thermostat units, carbon and stainless steel rain hoods, heaters for outdoor applications, and thermoelectric cooler and air-to-air heat exchangers. This selection of stainless steel enclosures is further evidence of Rittal's precision and attention to detail. The HD, or hygienic design enclosure, created specifically for the food industry, incorporates an optional slope top that overhangs the door to prevent moisture from entering, as well as an FDA-certified blue silicone gasket. The protruding lock eliminates the risk of food particles lodging within the lock and contaminating the contents. Other stainless steel enclosures include a brushed finish and slope-top design. Standardized carbon steel and non-metallic enclosures are designed for applications such as push-button installations and screw-covered junction boxes, as well as polycarbonate enclosures with both solid and clear covers. Similar enclosures, including junction boxes and slope-top consolettes for operator interface devices, are available in carbon steel, fiberglass, and cast aluminum construction. Here we have a flange mount disconnect enclosure, with a side flange to accept the disconnect handle and a separate handle for operator access to the interior. Beneath it are other wall mount enclosures, including 2 WM series units that can be interconnected to make a single large enclosure, and a fiberglass enclosure on the left with an AE model enclosure on the right, fitted with an optional rain canopy. This large freestanding rack is a TSIT enclosure designed for data center installations, including servers and networking equipment. In place of perforated front and rear doors shown here, the TSIT can be configured with solid rear doors and a glass front viewing door for total dust protection. The enclosure shown here has been equipped with CMC, or computer multi-control devices. Depending on the rack-mounted sensors chosen, various aspects can be remotely monitored, including heat level, humidity level, vibration, smoke presence, door access, power consumption, and other conditions within the enclosure. A range of devices and functions can be selected, including, as we see here, lighting and cable management panels, all precisely fitted for installation in the standard TSIT enclosure. At the rear of the enclosure, a swipe card module permits authorized access. Inside, we see a power distribution unit, smoke sensor, and other modules. Total static load weight capacity of the TSIT is 1,500 kilograms. Among the newest Rittal accessories is the Flex Block Base, a system of supports for installation on freestanding enclosures. Robust corner blocks in either 100mm or 200mm heights bolt to the bottom of the enclosure. Optional leveling feet or casters can be installed, and the flex block can be linked together in suitable configurations. Trim panels are added to completely surround the base of the enclosure. That's the tour of the Rittal Expo Vehicle. For enclosure solutions that are faster, better, everywhere, look into Rittal.